Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we continue our series in design YouTube system. Today we will talk about the resource manager, the resource manager, and let's just start and get into it. So, as we said before in the deck, in the previous video, in the deck schedule, the deck schedule um, um, splits a deck graph into two stages of tasks and puts them in the task queue in the resource manager so the resource manager can execute them. So when after that happens, let me just copy this, and yeah, can I just try to make it. Okay, that's great. So right now we have the resource manager. Let me just make this one here, and I want to make this one with white and white, and the resource manager will be in the gold color, and make the um, okay. So the resource manager is responsible for managing the efficiency of resource allocation, and it contains three queues: a task queue, and a worker queue, and running queue. So let's just try to see that. Okay, so let me just copy this one, because so we have here the three queues: a task queue, and the task queue, it's priority queue. It's a priority queue that contains tasks to be executed, and we have a worker queue. And the worker queue, it's a priority queue that contains worker utilization info. And we have lastly the okay. Lastly, we have the running queue. Running queue. And the running queue is, let me just make this one capitalized. So the running queue contains info about the currently running tasks and workers running the tasks. And we have something called a task schedule. Let me just, it's called task schedule. And the task schedule, it picks the optimal task worker and instructs the chosen task worker to execute the job. So let's just see how they are connected with it. So we have this one here. Let's connect directly with it, and this one here. Oh, sorry. Back is with it, and this one here also the same wheels with it. Okay. And after the task schedule picks the optimal task and worker and instructs the chosen task worker to execute the job. It follows it to everything the resource manager forwards the run task to the task worker. Sorry. So let's just say that this is, let's create one big. Yeah, one big like that. And this is the task worker. This is the resource manager, sorry. And and the resource manager, make it with green. And Yeah, okay, this sounds good. And let's just put the text here to say this is the resource manager. And can I make this one was like and make it like quite smaller? Okay, and the resource manager is sent to the task worker. It will like it will run the task, and I just want to make it bigger. Run task, and it's the task workers receive it. For example, let's just take some. Oh no, sorry, no. Let's just take this one and copy it, and just say this one will be the watermark, for example. Watermark. Maybe you have other tasks like the thumbnail. Maybe you have other tasks like the encoder, and maybe you have other. Last one will be like the merger. Yeah, so let's just put all of this here. Let me just, you know what, I can just make it a small one, like here, like this. Yeah, and yeah, and yeah. Okay, so let me just, can I make this one? Yep. Okay, that looks good. So what's happening here? So the task schedule gets the highest priority task from the task queue. Okay. The task schedule gets the optimal task worker to run the task from the task worker queue. Actually, the task schedule instructs the chosen task worker to run the task. Also the task schedule binds the task worker info and puts it in the running queue, and after that, the task schedule removes the job from the running queue once the job is done. And yeah, that's it. And yeah, that's it for today's video. And the next video we'll talk about this one, which is the task workers. And it's, I guess the next video will be really small video. It's be like one of the smallest video, because there's not that much to talk about in the task workers. Okay, so let me. Okay, can I just? Oh no, you can't. Back. Okay, yeah. Can I just make it looking better, because I guess it need. Yeah. Let's just see it like that. It should be in the middle. Exactly. I'm an artist. I am an artist. Okay, so that's it for this video, and see you in next videos.